Today we're going to make these really sweet mini books. They have 6 pages, and then you can cover it with whatever kind of paper you'd like. This is an upcycled old young adult book. The one that we're going to make together is actually going to be with an old map, so lots of different ideas. Or you can not cover it at all as well. And then these make great, you could use them as birthday cards, you can use them as little, to jot down different notes, sketches, doodles, so many different ideas. If you wouldn't mind, comment below on what you're going to use yours for. I would love to share ideas. So this one I made out of white paper. This one I actually took an entire page from a book and folded that one and made this little mini book. I was thinking if you made it even smaller, you could maybe use it as jewelry or in a dollhouse. So many ideas. So let's get started though. All you're going to need for this project is a piece of paper, like so. And the first step is you're going to go ahead and fold it in half. You're going to see as we do this is quite easy and fast. So you fold it in half. Then you're going to go ahead and fold this one down. And then go ahead on the other side and do the same. Then you're going to go ahead and unfold it. And then you're going to go ahead and fold it in half the other way. I like to call this a hamburger fold, and then the one that we just did a hot dog fold. And then go ahead and fold this down like so, and then the other side. And that's pretty much as complicated as it gets. Then you're going to go ahead and unfold it. And then we're going to cut it here to here, here to here, and then this one goes this way. I did a little quick diagram on this paper so you can see, just so you can see exactly where we're cutting. So we're cutting from here to here, here to here, and then from here to here. So go ahead and grab your scissors. And I'm going to cut right on that folded line up 3 squares, or rectangles actually, leaving one open. And then skip the middle and go to the other side and go up again 3 rectangles. And then for the middle, once again 3 rectangles. And that's really all you have to do. So then the way you fold it is fold that down and fold that up. You're just going with the creases. What you do to one side, you do the other. Fold this over. Fold it there. Making sure everything is folded as exact as you can. That's going to be important. And then, so once you have it to this point, then you're going to go ahead and fold it in half, like this, and then bring this side over, like so. And there you have your book. And then to cover it, choose whatever you're going to use to cover it. In this case, I decided to use an old map. So I'm going to, as you can see, I've already kind of destroyed it, but that's okay. That's the fun of upcycling. So go ahead and cut a section out. And then you're going to go ahead and add a generous amount of white glue or glue stick. The front and back or double-sided tape is fine too. And go ahead and cover it on the part of the map that you like. Like so. so. And then go ahead and cut that out. And there's your book. So it's covered really nicely, and then you have all of your pages. So I think I'm going to use mine. I was thinking I might just use mine as like a little sketchbook. Sometimes I like to like sit in meetings and just kind of doodle. So I think this will be just kind of a fun little doodle book, but really you can use it for anything you want. So happy bookmaking.